Welcome to ebookGenie training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create an ebook in ebookGenie. To create an ebook, click on Ebook Builder option. Now you are on Ebook Creating panel. Click on Add New Ebook option. Now insert your ebook title. Choose a cover of your ebook. Add introduction. Conclusion. And recommended resources of your ebook. You can also add footer CTA text and footer CTA link if you want. By clicking on Submit button, your ebook is created. You can manage your created ebook in Manage Ebook section, where you can see your created ebook in PDF format. You can add chapters in your created ebook if you want. You can edit or delete your ebook anytime you want. Thanks for watching the video.